Welcome to Rex Programming's Introduction to Python. In this lesson, we are going to be talking about lists. Let's get started. Go ahead and open up Atom. And in Atom, in your Rex Python folder, create a brand new folder and call this folder lists. In your lists folder, create a new file called creatinglists.py. And in here, we are going to have a program that is going to help you learn about creating lists using square brackets. And let's get started. So let's say I have a TV station who has certain shows that are showing at 7 p.m. I would create a list called shows, and then I would just use square brackets to create my list. That's it. It's as easy as that. So let's put some shows in there. Let's say I have Batman, I have Avatar, The Last Airbender, not Legend of Korra, and Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Awesome. So if I wanted to see my shows, I could print shows and I would get an entire list of my shows as is. That's how easy it is to make a list. Awesome. So what else can I do with these lists? What if I wanted to get a certain item from a list? Well, I can do the same thing I did with strings and use the index value. Every list has an index value. And if I wanted to, let's say, get Avatar: The Last Airbender, I would print shows 1 because index values start at 0. So Batman would be 0, Avatar would be 1, and Fresh Prince of Bel-Air would be 2. So let's try printing this and seeing what comes up. Avatar: The Last Airbender. Great, that is the first index in our list. And so if I wanted to get Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, awesome. So just like strings, you can index through a list to get the items that you need from a list very easily. And you could even go further and say, if I wanted to just get Avatar, instead of printing Avatar: The Last Airbender, I could print out the first 5 characters and say Avatar. So that's it for today. Congrats. I'll see you in the next video.